French toast. I have a couple sneaky tricks that I think you guys will love using your own personal recipe. I'm going to show you my recipe, but these tricks I think your family will love and you will love too. Look how beautiful they look. So if you want to see how to make this with my two sneaky tricks, keep watching. Okay guys, here's the ingredients I use for French toast. I'm using Texas toast. I got a couple techniques I want to show you guys that'll definitely enhance your own recipe, not having you do it like I do it, but I think you'll love it. I'm just going to use some butter. I do have stick butter, but that melts faster. Some cinnamon, a little bit of pure vanilla. I'm using lactose-free milk because I'm lactose intolerant. I have 4 eggs. I got some regular white cane sugar, some light brown sugar, and optional powdered sugar. I'm going to cook this in a skillet. This comes together in no time. My husband said this was the best French toast he ever had in his life. So I'm going to show you guys my 2 techniques that I think you will love using your own personal recipe. So let me turn the camera around. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, one thing that is a must for me, I must separate the yolks. I do not like the part that's not the yolk in my French toast. So you can do it see, that's why I don't like using this method. I got this little contraption here. Let me show you. Okay, my first trick to enhance your French toast is I like to get rid of all that white gloopy part, because when you cook it, I don't know if you ever noticed that you see a lot of this on the French toast, and it doesn't look very appetizing to me. So I like to get rid of that. And that's 1 egg. And I'm just going to separate all the eggs from this white part here. I don't like that in my French toast. Okay, this is the part of the egg that I remove. I don't really care for the white part because when you cook it, you see a lot of that. Now, as far as measurements, I'm just going to show you. I just pour in some milk, not really measured. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of white sugar. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. And then I'm going to use a little bit of pure vanilla. If you like nutmeg, go right ahead. I'm not really a fan, but like I said, I'm not really trying to change you guys' homemade recipe. Just want to show you a couple techniques I think you guys will really enjoy and your family will be tripped out on. And then there's some cinnamon. You want to mix this together. Get your eggs all broken up. Make sure this is very well mixed. I'm going to do 6 French toasts, 4 for my husband and 2 for me. Okay, let's go over to the stove. Okay, I've added my butter to the skillet. I want that to melt. And I'm going to show you my first trick. Now how you see all the cinnamon's on top, I'm going to dip that, just lightly dip it. That's why I like Texas toast. And you see how the cinnamon's there? I add more cinnamon in between each dip. Then dip that. And then put that in the pan. And see, the white part for me, it always ends up with a lot of white showing on the French toast, which is a turn off for me. So I think you guys would really like it if you try my recipe. See, it's coated with cinnamon on each side. Got my skillet up pretty high, and you want to just toast this. See how beautiful that looks? And I do add butter from time to time while I'm cooking these. That's another one of my secrets. See, if you use a lot of the yolk, most of the French toast will look like that. And I don't think that looks very appetizing. I think this one here looks perfect. And when you dunk it, you don't want to submerge it too much because you don't want the toast to be soggy. So that one's done. And this one's done. And then what I do is add more butter. And I repeat the process. I dip it in. I add more cinnamon and dip it again. And this way it looks like French toast to me. You can really see the cinnamon. Okay, take these out. Show you how they look. Absolutely delicious. And I do butter these in between while I'm cooking the next set. Add some more butter. And do the last two. Dip them. Add more cinnamon to your mixture. I think it makes a prettier French toast. And this is where I take the back of the spoon and butter. Sorry about that, left the water on the French toast that I just taken out. Cut my eye off. These are just about ready. Just want to make sure they're both toasted on both sides. And as you see, that's part of the white part that of the egg that I don't like. They got stuck on there. I don't like that, so pick that off. It's just not appetizing looking to me. Make sure this is nice and toasted. See how simple this is? And I think you guys will love it if you sprinkle cinnamon in the bowl between each dipping. There you have it, French toast. Now this is optional. It's a must for me. I like powdered sugar on my French toast. So you can take it and sprinkle it on your French toast. It gives it extra sweetness. I think it makes it look good. If you guys like videos like this, please like, subscribe, and share. You know, your girl Jennifer uploads 2 videos a week and always includes inspirational quote, tells a controversial joke. And my channel is all about quick, fast, and easy and innovative ways to make old recipes new. Okay, let me tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, let me tell you my joke. A spider was in our home. My girlfriend told me to take the spider out instead of killing him. We went out, had a few drinks. Really nice guy. Turns out he's a web designer. I thought that was cute. I am deathly afraid of spiders. I grew up, my mother would pick them up. She never would kill them because she said they kill mosquitoes, and she always carried them outside. And for me, you have to kill it and show it to me. And if you hit it and it falls and you can't find it, there's no way in the world I can stay in that room. I mean, I'm just devastated. So if any of you guys have a spider phobia, let me know. My husband and I both do. So it's interesting when we see a spider. But we use this heavy duty spray that works, kills them on the spot. It's called Raid Max, M-A-X-X, if you can find it. They've changed the formula a little bit, so it's not as strong smelling, but it definitely, he doesn't die and run up under your couch or anything. It kills them instantly. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. As I said, more importantly, comment. I respond to all my comments, and if you can, leave me your French toast recipe. I love French toast. My husband, as far as breakfast, is only pancakes, period. So we've been together 30-something years. I decided to make him some French toast, and he said it was the best French toast of his life. So I made it again today. I made it Sunday. That's why it was only a few slices of Texas toast left. Sourdough bread works well also. But for me, breakfast is eggs, grits, potatoes, toast. Not really pancakes, but I love French toast. But I like potatoes and eggs with my breakfast. That's breakfast for me. And I can eat it any meal of the day. It's my favorite meal. So you guys let me know what's your favorite meal if you really love breakfast. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. I'm going to be doing a lot of summer salads because it's so hot right now. So God bless everyone and their family, and have a good evening.